Myntri Rangbah ka jela kurat kisang ma hakasngi balang ula Buh Mawnongrim na ka benda shna thymmai no ya ka surok Umsning Jagiroad ha ka jinglut ka balakot sya ka prapulai poin lai pu pra klur hapo ka jingmi jong ka Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project ka babay tengka da ka World Bank kumban supentip kendiat ka surok Umsning Jagiroad kadai ka wai na ki surok ka balajot rathai klempen basyo menta da ki South Post nem lenter kabalawan ra jingye sikadai ye ki pajba ka than khamtam gitu ke bangat hakapang ka sitam namar ka jings new palat jong ka surok wata padeng ki jinghap jong uslap ubajur da ki spa ngut ki pajba nong song snong ka than mauhati kelami syakmat banedon rakat lang ha kene ka sngi Buh Mawnongrim ya katek surok kabalong ubudlom jong ka yo ka kot katei ka than nalor Myntri Rangbah ki wei ki bayadon rangkat hakani kasngi gilong UMLA ka mauhati uba dasakhet bha lamare UMLA ka jirang uba sustenance sotun UMLA ka Umsning uba Jason Saukmi Maulong UMLA ka Jawai uba Wailat Miki Shela UMDC ka jirang uba Victor Rani ka MDC jong ka Umsning ka kong Magdalene Saukmi Maulong lembat ki wei di ki head officer na ka district bat na ka jela
Make it new, bring it again the way your late father has done it, sir. So thank you so much, sir, for proving us right from the beginning. And on behalf of the constituency of Mauti, sir, I thank you so much, so much for considering to make this project a priority. No problem if it's a bit late, but our dream has come true. The G post new, the Jong Piki Pai Mauti, the Lajas, Denam Dena. Nasubwa and protect the Piki Hangin from Myntri Rangbah. Kasing Kabanakong, but Kasing Kabakadu, Kabagio, and Serong.
As I would not be in the right position to divulge all the information. But in the coming years, and please mark my words, that in the coming years, Jagiroad is going to be a very important location. I'm talking of 5 years to 10 years time. And when that happens, and you will remember when I say this today, on why that place will be important, that this road will be even more critical for the connectivity between the state of Assam and the state of Meghalaya. And being here today and laying the foundation stone for this very important road makes it even more special to know that we are able to continue the work that was started by our leader. And we are able to take things forward now to a logical conclusion. This road is of great importance not only for the people of the constituency, but it is a strategic road for the entire state of Meghalaya. Through this road, we get connectivity in a much shorter way to Jagiroad and then to Upper Assam. And the fact that it saves a large length or long length of distance and time makes this road a very strategic road economically. And we know that the entire area in this region and this district has a lot of trade. We just heard our local MLA mention that this road has been completely neglected for last 40 years. Similarly, roads like the Umsning Jagiroad has been neglected for 50 years. And for the first time, it is this MDA government that has taken up the Umsning Jagiroad also. And very soon we will be going there to lay the foundation stone for the Umsning Jagiroad also. And like these different development projects, there has been a huge expectation from our government. Huge expectation. In the last 4.5 years, we have faced a large number of challenges. A lot of people don't realize. Honorable MLA was mentioning that it took us 4.5 years to sanction this project. But I think we all are forgetting that in between, we lost 2 years because of COVID. And we couldn't do any work in 2 years. And so if you minus the 2 years from the 4.5 years, we all are forgetting that in between, we lost 2 years because of COVID. And we couldn't do any work in 2 years. And so if you minus the 2 years from the 4.5 years, then this project has been sanctioned within 2.5 years of this working of this government. And that is the commitment and the speed at which we are working. And while we do that, I can understand that the expectations of the people goes more and more. People expect us to resolve problems that have not been resolved for decades. The people expect that what could not happen in the last 50 years must happen in the next or in this 5 years. And let me tell you, we have been working with that spirit. What could not be done in 50 years, why can't we do it in 5 years?